For any digital twin loaded in NC Simul, it's possible to enter the machine motion to view both the direction and the range of each axis. Right-click on the machine and choose Machine Axes Movement. Choose the visibility of the machine enclosure and then an axis to move. For example, you can verify which direction the Z positive or negative values are taking, where to position the tailstock to avoid collision with the tool station, how much to extend the quill to contact the stock, the steady rest position, and the opening and closing of the clamp, or even if any of the tooling loaded in the turret is going to collide with any of the aforementioned features, the chuck, or the back of the machine. Additionally, you can call a specific G-code that the shop is using, such as the G28 here, and jump all axes to this alignment. Stepping through the axes motion can allow for easier visualization of the machine movements, especially on machines that are tough to see inside, speeding up the time to produce a final part.